Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Weekly Email Digest. Today, we're going to learn 3 powerful tricks to make your abandoned cart emails convert better. And honestly, these are essential for effective marketing messages in general, not just your abandoned cart emails. So I really hope that you find value in this content. Let's jump right in. Number 1, leverage pain. One of the most powerful techniques in marketing is identifying the number 1 biggest problem that your customer base has that your products solve, and then leveraging that main pain point in your marketing messages again and again and again. And this email from Koala is a great example, and I love it. They sell phone harnesses for people leading active lifestyles and doing extreme sports. And their worst nightmare is their phone falling out of their pocket while they're rock climbing or something. So this email paints a vivid picture of exactly that painful, terrible situation. They say, you know what keeps us up at night? The thought that someday, in the not-so-distant future, you might drop your phone in an unrecoverable place. And guess what? The best way to avoid this situation is by getting a Koala phone harness. So smooth, I love it. They're almost not even selling it to us, but making us think that it's a great idea to get a Koala phone harness to avoid this potential excruciating pain. Number 2, drive fear of missing out. This highly overlaps with tips 1 and 3, but I think is still an important standalone concept to understand, because the way Koala are leveraging their customers' pain is by inducing fear of missing out. Because with their product, the pain is not here right now, it's not evident, but if we think about it, it could potentially happen at some point in the future. So from their customer's perspective, if I don't get this product now, and then at some point my phone falls out of my pants pocket, I will have missed out on the benefit of my phone not hitting the ground. It might never happen, but what if it does? I don't want to miss out. I better spend $25 on this phone harness that I might never need than to save $25 and run the risk of not having the phone harness when I do need it. I'm afraid of missing out. I hope that makes sense. Number 3, create urgency. Urgency and fear of missing out go hand in hand and together push people to make irrational choices. I've got another email here to illustrate that is built around the feeling of urgency. To start, let's imagine that this first part of the email does not exist. It's not here. Well, then I would look at these slippers and I would think, I don't need them. I mean, they look cool, the price is great, but I don't have to make the decision right now, so I'll think about it. Guess what that translates to? Right, I'm not gonna buy it. But with this giant bright orange highlight here saying the stock is limited, if you don't buy these slippers right now because you want to think about it, they might all be sold out by the time you make up your mind. It's much harder to say no. That's urgency driving massive fear of missing out. I know that this might seem like, quick tips from a fun YouTube video, but don't take these lightly. These are some of the key principles at the core of countless marketing, sales, and advertising techniques. So once again, don't take this lightly. Leverage pain, drive fear of missing out, and create urgency. These are things that are proven to work. And that's going to be it for today's episode of the Weekly Email Digest. As always, I really hope that you've enjoyed this content and have found it useful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.